quick little video before we get the kids out and we hook up the camper.
What's up, man?
What we doing today?
We're cooking sausages and bell pepper with onions, and we got the meatballs.
Show me what you got. Show me what you got, man.
This little snack right here, and this is everybody's dinner for tonight.
Man, you guys are throwing it down.
So
We are here next to the Mallory. The Bruners are up there right across from us. It's time to set everything out. Check it out. No buggy this time. We got all the bikes. Yeah. Katie and Justin, what y'all doing, man? Y'all hanging out?
Walking over here, come on.
All right, show me.
My arm or my leg.
Tell them your YouTube channel. What?
What are you doing?
Oh my God, what did you do to my face? Why? I'm always smiling, but why you putting that stuff in my face?
You can't do that.
Just chilling on the not so lazy river.
You have to work all the way around. Yep.
On a bicycle.
Did you hear that motor?
I love this, dude. You're gonna love it.
Yo,
this thing is freaking exciting, I'm telling you.
Did you hear that motor? Did you hear that? Yo, did you hear that motor, son?
They look like.
Want to tell you about a site on YouTube, Sportsman Fever. You can check this out. I want to take this opportunity to welcome the Teen Mud Mafia here tonight.
Let's go, baby!
Panama City, Florida. Thank you all for coming.
Whole crew over here. Hey, so I hear you guys got some food from the food truck, huh?
Mahi and shrimp.
Mahi and shrimp, and what you got?
I don't even know.
Steak taco.
Steak, that looks
It's like a
good
bunch
too,
of cheese.
So we're about to hit lunch. We don't want to cook anything right now, so we're gonna hit the food truck.
Get it, Maddie.
Hey, thank you, sir. You gotta go with the flow, baby.